August Vidyalaya Maths online class. Today we are going to discuss third chapter algebra. In this chapter, graph of variation already we discussed in the last class. Your direct variation and indirect variation using three graph completed. So the three example sums, one example sums homework. Today we discuss exercise 3.15. It is a new book page number 129. What is the direct variation? X increase and y also increase, or x decrease, y also decrease. Indirect variation means x increase, y decrease. But another one, x increase, y decrease. That is the opposite of two x and y variable. Now we discuss exercise 3.15. Few problems. First question: a garment shop announces a flat 50% discount on every purchase of items for their customers. Draw the graph for the relation between the market price and the discount. Hence find first one, the market price when a customer gets a discount of rupees 3250. From the graph we find the answer. Second option, the discount when the market price is rupees 2500. Here we consider the market price be x in rupees and the discount be y in rupees. Here 50% discount. So market price is 100 means what is the discount? 100. What is 50%? 100 out of 50% discount. So 100 into 50 by 100 means what is the discount amount? 50. So half of the amount. 100 rupees market price. The discount is 50. Suppose 200 rupees means what is that? 100. 300, 150. But in our question, the market price is rupees 2500. The discount you want to find. And the discount 3250, market price you want to learn. So 1000 range here you want to given. So we consider the 1000, 2000, 3000. Here 1000 means 50%, 500. So what is it? 10. So 500. 2000 means 1000. 3000, 1500. Why we consider here in the question 1000 range given, that's why we consider 1000, 2000, 3000 like that. Depending on the question we select the amounts. Here not given the tabular column, so we only create the tabular column. Is it clear? Before questions tabular column given, but this question tabular column not given. So we want to make the tabular column. Now we create the tabular column. Market price x, discount y. First consider 1000 rupees. 1000 rupees means discount 500. Next 2000 rupees market price means 1000 rupees discount. 3000 rupees market price discount 1500. 4000 market price discount 2000. First we create the tabular column. What is second step? Write the points. The points are 1000, 500, 2000, 1000, 3000, 1500, 4000, 2000. First write x value and y value. Next step, write the direct variation or indirect variation. Before itself we select is x is increase or decrease. So from the table, x value is increasing and y value also increases. So it is a direct variation. Direct variation how we write? Y equal to kx. So how we written k? K is equal to y. Multiplication next comes as denominator. So y by x. And using the table find k value. K is equal to y value 500 by x value 1000. So 500 by 1000 is equal to second 1000 by 2000. 1500 by 3000. 2000 by 4000. Simplify. So this answer 2 times. And get 1000 2 times. 1500 3000 2 times. 2000 2 times. At last k answer is 1 by 2. So k is equal to 1 by 2. And y equal to k value 1 by 2 x. So y equal to 1 by 2 x. Using this point in the graph and find the remaining two options answer. So first take the x-axis scale and the y-axis scale. So here 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000 like that 1000 range given. So here in x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to rupees 1000. So each unit is rupees 1000. In y-axis 1 centimeter is equal to rupees 500. Here 500, 1000, 1500, 2000 given. So we consider 500. Here 500 also we take it. That is also our wish. See your graph. Is it possible mean you select it. Otherwise you will take 1000. Here also 100 like that. Is it possible means you take it. Otherwise you take 500. Now we take x-axis rupees 1000, y-axis rupees 500. So mention. And the y-axis is marked price in rupees. And unit 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000. Here no need negative values. Only positive values. So no need to take negative axis in x-axis and y-axis. Last three problems completed know the same method. In y-axis discount. So that first one 500, 1000, 1500, 2000, 2500, 3000, 3500, 4000 like that. Up to which one you need to write it. And mark the points. 1000, 500. Here 1000 x-axis 1000, y-axis 500. 1000, 500. Second point x-axis 2000, y-axis 1000. And third point 3 x-axis 3000, y-axis 1500. X-axis 3000, y-axis 1500. Fourth point 4000, 2000, x-axis 4000, y-axis 2000. 4000, 2000. And join these points. And write the equation y equal to 1 by 2 x. Y equal to 1 by 2 x. And the next one, how we find the answer? From the graph, the marked price when the customer gets a discount of 3250. Here discount given. Discount, what is that in y-axis? Discount 3250. So 3000 in between small lines are no, that is a 250. So 3000, 3500 in between lines, that is a 3250. What is the marked price? So here the down place where we need. So answer in between 6000 and 7000. So that is the in between place. So 3250 discount means the time that marked price is 6500. So 6500, 3250. So that is the answer. From the graph, the marked price when a customer gets a discount of rupees 3250 is, the answer is 6500. Is it clear? Second option, from the graph, the discount when the marked price of 2500. Here the marked price is x-axis, that is 2500. Here 1000, 2000, here 3000. So in between only 2500. So 2500. Here where will the discount? So in between 1000 and 1500. So 1000 and 1500 mean 1250. So this place 1250. So this one 2500, 1250. You mark the pencil this place. And this also mark the pencil. That is the answer. So at last we get from the graph the discount when the marked price of rupees 2500 is rupees 1250. Is it clear? So whatever the market price given, using the graph you have to find the discount. Is it clear? The remaining few problems we discussed. Now we discuss second sum. Question number 2. Draw the graph of xy equal to 24. Here x comma y greater than 0. What is the meaning of greater than 0? Only positive. X into y, that is the multiplications. X and y multiply means we get 24. That type of number we selected. Using the graph, find y when x equal to 3 and find x when y equal to 6. Here what is it given? X y equal to 24, x comma y greater than 0. Only positive we consider. So here tabular column not given. We only want to create the tabular column. So select the numbers. Which two numbers multiply means we get 24. So first x, y. X we apply 1. 1 means y answer 24. Suppose here x equal to 24 by y. So x is equal to 1 answer. Is equal to y 24 by y. So answer y answer is 24. Otherwise y is equal to 24 by x. Like that you take it. Any variable. So x apply 1. Here 1 means 24 by 1. Y answer 24. And x apply 2. Here apply 2. 1 2 is 2. 12 2 is 24. And x apply 3. Here apply 3. How many times? 8 times. 8 is 24. And x apply 4. Here 4 means how many times? 6 times. 6 4 are 24. And x apply 6. We get 4. And x equal to 8. Y answer 3. X 12. Y answer 2. X 24. 24 cancel. Y answer 1. Otherwise select these equations. You apply y value and get the x answer. Our choice, we take any one variable and complete the tabular column. At last we get the points are 1, 24, 2, 12, 3, 8, 4, 6, 6, 4, 8, 3, 12, 2, 24, 1. Next step, using the table, it is a direct variation or indirect variation. From the table, x value is increasing but y is decreasing. So it is a indirect variation. Indirect variation, otherwise inverse variations. Both are same. So it is a indirect variation. Indirect variation means y equal to k by x. Implies k answer is x into y. So we get the k answer. K is equal to x into y. 1 into 24, 2 into 12, 3 into 8, 4 into 6, 6 into 4, 8 into 3, 12 into 2, 24 into 1. So all the answer 24. So k is equal to 24. At last we get the equation xy equal to 24. Using these table values, we have to find this value. Y value when x equal to 3 and x value when y equal to 6. First write the scale value. Scale in x axis 1 cm is equal to. Using your graph, what are the lines are, how many lines are there? Check it and then mark the points. Is it possible to take 1 unit or 2 units? In x, how many 24 values are there? And y also 24 values are there. So your choice, you take 1 point or 1 unit or 2 units. So in x axis, we choose in x axis something is equal to 2 units. Y axis also 2 units. So we take it. 2, 4, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22. So up to which one you need, you write it. And now I select y axis also 2 units. In your graph, is it possible you select 1 unit. And mark the points 1, 24. In x value 1, y 24. 1 means in between 0 to 1, the small line is 1, 24. 1, 24. Next 2, 12. 2, 12. 2, 12. Next 3, 8. 3 means in between 2 to 4. that small line is 3. So 3 to 8. Next 4 comma 6. X value 4, y 6. 4 comma 6. Third one, next one 6 comma 4. X is 6, y 4. 6 comma 4. Next one 8 comma 3. X 8, y 3. So X 8, y 3 means in between this place. So 8 comma 3. Next one X 12, y 2. So 12 comma 2. 12 comma 2. Next one X value 24, y value 1. So that is 24 comma 1. So that is 24. Here 1 means in between line. So 24 comma 1. Here already we see that direct variation, indirect variation. Direct variation is straight line. Indirect variation means what is it? Rectangular hyperbola. So you join means we get the rectangular hyperbola. First join. So we get the rectangular hyperbola. You join the line carefully and write the points and equations. X, y equal to 24. So any place you write it. X, y equal to 24. And then y you want to find when x equal to 3. X equal to 3. What is the y value? 3 y value 8. To mark that. So next from the graph when x equal to 3, y equal to 8. Second option you want to find x when y equal to 6. Y equal to 6. So here y equal to 6. What is the x value? 4. So join this. See that from the graph when y equal to 6, x equal to 4. Here only x and y given, so no need to write anything. Here under x and y place. So and at last you write that equation x y equal to 24. Here what are the units you consider? The same things only you want to write. So draw carefully and find the answer. So one more problem we see that. Now see the third sum. Third one, graph the following linear function y equal to 1 by 2x. Identify the constant of variation and verify it with the graph. Also, first one find y when x equal to 9. Second one find x when y equal to 7.5. The same second question model. The linear functions given y equal to 1 by 2x. Here identify the constant of variation. Constant of variation is k value. Verify it with the graph and find y when x equal to 9. Find x when y equal to 7.5. So given y equal to 1 by 2 x. The same things we take here denominator given. So no need to take decimal value. So like that you select the number. So y equal to 1 by 2 x. Suppose x we take 1 means 1 by 2. Y value is 1 by 2, that is a fraction. So that's why we take whole number. So whole number means denominator 2. So x number you select even number means we get the whole number. So x place you take 2. 2 to cancel. Y answer 1. X we take 4. This place 4. 1 2 is to 2 to the 4. So y answer 2. X we take 6. Here 6. 1 2 is to 3 to the 6. Y answer 3. And x we take 4. Y answer we get x 8 means y 4. X 10 means y 5. X answer 12. What is y answer? 6. X 14. Y 7. X 16. Here 16. 1 2 is to 8 to the 16. So y answer we get 8. So like that we select the numbers. Next write the points. The points are 2, 1, 4, 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10, 5, 12, 6, 14, 7, 16, 8. And here see the table, x is increases and y also increases. Therefore, it is a direct variation. What is the difference between second and third? Second question, indirect variation. This one, direct variation. So, direct variation equation y equal to kx implies k is equal to y by x. And substituting k is equal to, what is it, y? 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 3 by 6, 4 by 8, 5 by 10, 6 by 12, 7 by 14, 8 by 16 is equal to 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2, 1 2 is to 2, 1 3 is 2, 1 4, 2, 1 5 is 5, 2 5 is 1 6, 2 6, 1 7, 2, 1 8, 2. So 1 by 2. Therefore k is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore the equation y equal to 1 by 2 x. Using this value, fill the graph. Before we select the scale, in x-axis 1 cm is equal to, here 2, 4, 6, 8 like that we choose. So we say take the unit is 2 units. In y-axis 1, 2, 3 like that answer. So 1 unit we take it. Here 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. This side 1, 2, 3 like that we take it. First mark the points 2, 1. X-axis 2, y-axis 1. So 2, 1. Next 4, 2. 4, 2. Next 6, 3. Next one 8, 4. 8, 4. Next one 10, 5. Here 10, 5. Next one 12, 6. Here 12, 6. Next one 14, 7. Here 14, 7. 14, 7. Using your scale and exactly mark the points. And next 16, 8. 16, 8. So complete all the points and join the points. Extend the line and write the equation. Y equal to 1 by 2 x. Here constant of variation is 1 by 2. Constant of variation answer 1 by 2. Here write the equation y equal to 1 by 2 x. Y equal to 1 by 2 x. Next find the answer. From the graph, when x equal to 9, x value 9. Where is 9? In between 8 and 10. The small line is 9. What is the y answer? So x 9. What is it? Y answer? It is 4.5. X equal to 9. Y answer is 4.5. So that is 9, 4.5. Next one, from the graph when y equal to 7.5, y answer given, we want to find x. So y 7.5, 7 to 8, in between line is 7.5. So here mark 7.5. So what is the answer? Here down x place. So down x place, that is a 15. So from the graph when y equal to 7.5, x equal to 15. So that place also you mark it. So 15 comma 7.5. Is it clear? Using the graph, you have to find x9 means y answer 4.5. And when y equal to 7.5, x equal to 15. So draw a neat graph and mark the points. No need to negative axis. So draw only positive axis. The same method, example 3.50 and exercise 4, 5, 6. These are the homework problems. These are the exercise 4, 5, 6 table column given. See that x increase and y increase. That is a direct variation. Apply the direct variations method. Suppose you are different, x increase, y decrease. That type of questions, indirect variations. Apply the indirect format. Here direct means we get a straight line. Indirect means we get the rectangular type. That is the curve method. So all are very very important sum and easiest one. Have you clear all the sums? Any doubt? So you complete the homework problems. Thank you students.